Hey family, in today's video, I want to talk to you about how to get to the root of any problem that you're having with the IRS. Okay, let's talk about the foundation and how you find out what that problem actually is. You do that by observing your tax transcripts. Okay, it is so underrated. Over the weekend, I was working with a taxpayer who owes roughly $60,000, and they hired me to do a transcript investigation, which is the first thing I do whenever I get a client in need of tax representation. Well, when I went and looked in, this problem that has been plaguing them for almost 10 years was almost instantly solved because I could see exactly what was wrong and what needed to be done to correct it. You see, when we look at the tax transcripts, that is the story, your story about your tax life. Okay. So there are different types of tax transcripts. We have the record of account, which is going to be from the last 3 years, and it will tell us everything that's happened on your account, including your wage and income transcript. It will have the account transcript, so what's transpired, if there were any penalties, if anything was filed late. It will also have the tax return transcript, right? So all of this information is very, very valuable. If you have back taxes that you need to get filed, but you can't find your documentation, and if you're not a business owner, you would want to get online to get your wage and income transcripts. If maybe you know that you're due a refund and you just want to confirm with the IRS that that refund is out there, you would want to get your account transcript for that year, which, by the way, there is a refund statute expiration date, which means you only have 3 years from the time that tax return was due to claim the refund. So, for example, today is May 6th. If you have a 2020 refund out there, that due date was May 15th of 2021. So May 15th of 2024 is the refund statute expiration date for the 2020 tax year. If you don't claim that refund by that day, bye-bye, refund gone. I just worked with a client recently who knew they had a 2020 refund over $5,000. So what did we do? I went and got the account transcript and the tax return transcript so I could confirm the year, which I was able to do on the account transcript. Then on the account transcript and the tax return transcript, I was able to confirm the exact amount and see that the IRS had issued the refund, but then I saw when it was sent back because it was considered undeliverable. So, in order for him to get the money that he was owed, we filled out a form 3911. And I was able to know what to put on the 3911 because I started with the foundation. I got the tax transcript. So now that you understand what the tax transcript is and the importance of it, you don't have to wait for a tax professional to pull it for you. Now, like I said, I am usually hired to be the representative for the taxpayer. So I have a 2848 because I'm standing in the gap for them, right? But you can get it yourself by going on to irs.gov and signing up for an IRS account. When you do this, it is now integrated with ID, was it ID.me, ID plus me, but that account will allow you to log in and get those transcripts. Now, I'm not going to do a screen share on this today. However, I've written an article that shows you how to get your transcripts in 3 easy ways. I will make sure that that's down in the comments so that you can get your account set up tonight and you'll be able to pull those wage and income transcripts if you need to file back tax returns. So you'll be able to see what's going on with your account if you need the account transcript. If you're applying for a loan, you can pull the transcripts without needing to go to somebody to pay them to do that. You have the power to do all of that within your hands and to be able to see what your tax story is. I hope you found this helpful. My name is Timalyn Bowens, America's favorite EA, and I'm here to fill the tax literacy gap one taxpayer at a time. If you'd like to book a call with me because you have back tax debt that you can't get a hand on, sorry, you can book an appointment with me right here at www.bowenstaxsolutions.com. Let me know down in the comments if you found this video helpful.